Okay, in the previous step we learned how we can set up a simple AR scene and align it with our player camera in the mobile phone. Okay, in this step we want to make it better and make a real 6DAV experience in mobile phone. Okay, first we should select player camera and change the here clipping plans to 0.01. Okay, now it is better now. Alright, let's save the scene and remove these great cube and cylinder. And in this Sketchfab, in this website, you can download or purchase really great 3D models and assets for your project. For example, I found this beautiful MP5 with hands, which is animated. Look at this. It is the animation of reload, shooting, or whatever you want, or running. I just need to have the static pose of this 3D model, and as you can see, it is fully free to use. The front license, you just need to download the project and download the assets with FBX, and also you can use GLB for your project. In my channel, I already made a video for how we can use GLB formats in the Unity. You can find it in my playlist and also in my website. Also, I will add the link of this tutorial in the description of this video. You just need to download the FBX or GLB as you wish and import the FBX file with the textures into your projects folder. I will share the link of this 3D model in the description of this video as well. If you want, you can use it. Here in the models we have MP5. Okay, and we don't need to touch X or Origin and AR Station anymore. We are dealing with player camera. Let's add the weapon at this part. Okay, and we can align with this angle, something like this. Okay, that is good. Yeah, why not? And here let's add our materials. I already made the materials. I just need to drag and drop for here and for here for the gun. Okay, perfect. For saving the time of the clip, I made the materials. I just want to focus on the topic itself. Okay, and now we have our gun, and if we rotate the player camera, the gun is attached to the camera, and it makes a really beautiful experience for our game. Okay, and let's see what we have next. We should have a room. In the Sketchfab, we have these kinds of photogrammetry scanned rooms, which are really beautiful. Look at this, and it is free as well. Look at this, it is really beautiful. You just need to download the assets. It's just 46 megabyte, and it is really good. I will share the link of this package, this asset in the description of this video as well. I already downloaded it and it is here. But remember, by default, the textures in Unity have 2048 for the maximum size of the resolution. But for this 3D model, it's better to have more resolution to see a better quality. For example, let's add a 3D model of our room into our scene. Let's make it something like this. Look at this, it is a little bit lower than the best one. Even you can make it better. If we change the resolution to this guy, for example, let's see what will happen. By the way, I don't need to have Visual Studio anymore, so I close it for better performance. Okay, it's a little bit better, not too much, but anyways, it is ready to use, but it is too big, honestly. So let's make 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and now it's better to be a realistic height of a player. Alright, now it's ready. Remember, it doesn't have any collider, so you if you want to use these kinds of 3D objects, don't use mesh collider. Let's add the collider one by one to at the position of these objects. For example, put a cube for this guy, put a cube for this guy separately. Okay, it is my suggestion. You can do whatever you want, but it is better now. And now let's check everything again. And here the camera, the 3D model is off at its state camera. Here is the gain. Let's export another APK to test it for the last time. See you on the mobile phone.
Okay, look at this. It is beautiful place. And even I can walk and go somewhere here, right? And even I can go something like this and sit down, and now stand up. We can see the difference here. Look at this. I sit and now stand up. Let's go here. And remember, whenever you want to test, you have to be in the light and bright room, because it won't work properly in the dark room or a room or a space without light. Whenever you have better light, you will have better surface detection and also better positioning and rotationing system. Okay, that's it. Have fun.